In Nigeria, women power small businesses with resilience, vision, and determination. Yet for many, access to finance remains the biggest challenge. Banks demand collateral, processes are difficult, and growth is often delayed. Despite these barriers, women continue to build, creating jobs, supporting families, and driving local economies. That's where Lenda comes in. Lenda is a digital bank built for SMEs, providing accessible financing designed around real business needs. These are not just business stories. They are stories of opportunity unlocked. When women are supported, businesses grow, communities thrive, and economies move forward.
I'm really very appreciative of that opportunity to be able to double my production capacity, grow my business, and be able to make more impact in my community.
The funding from Lenda has helped me reduce personal pressure of using my personal finances to run the business. And it also allowed me focus on my long-term goals as an individual and not just as a founder. It equally helped me start to position myself to create some impact, no matter how small, in my own tiny community, helping younger women who have micro businesses like POSs or soap-making businesses.
I belong to so many groups that talk about women. It helps me to talk to them, using my own example, things I've been through and how I am scaling through. And it has really been helpful, not only to me, but to other women out there.
The funding has helped us to be able to impact our community very directly because Davichi Farms is big on impact. Community impact, impact for the environment, and as an organization, we provide access to markets for youths and women within our community. And it helps them to be able to cut back on post-harvest losses. But because we have enough funds to be able to buy off and offtake what they produce, they are able to continue to do the business that they love without thinking of who will take it off them. Because Davichi is there, supported by Lenda, to be able to create that much impact for the community.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Hisiaba and I run a digital health pharmacy called Miriam Gray Pharmacy.
Hi, my name is Ogechi Ezenyewe, the founder and CEO of XT Kiddies Carnival.
My name is Adewumi Mary from Ojo, Lagos, Nigeria, the CEO of Exi Jolly Food. Here we produce flour and flour textured foods.
My name is Chomai Chegrisi. I'm the founder and CEO of Davichi Farms and Agrotech Nigeria Limited. Davichi Farms is an integrated farm that grows purely organic farm produce. We're a commercial broiler production company. We do fruits, vegetables, herbs.
As a small business and as a woman, it's very difficult to get funds, most especially from the commercial banks.
Before now, it has been rough, very rough, as I lost my mother after health challenges. I lost her, so even the business funds shattered and everything.
In approaching financial institutions, they would always ask for collateral. And being an agro producer, yes, we have experts on land, but they do not have title. So when they ask you collateral and you say you do not have collateral, it abruptly ends there. A lot of times we have visions, we have dreams, we have goals, but finance is always a major challenge. And we are afraid to go to the banks because you don't want to go to the bank and then 3 months after somebody is telling you the interest rate has changed or the dynamics of the loan has changed, and then you are back to square one.
We all know how loans can be, how hectic, and many a times you are not even able to access it. They keep demanding for outrageous statements of accounts.
The processing for the Lenda loan was very seamless. One, I didn't have to go to any office or have someone come to market me to be able to apply for the loan. I just got a link, I applied. When I had issues, there was someone who was on the call to help me through the process and up to the point of disbursement. There were people along the path, along the way, who handheld me, helped me and guided me in terms of knowing exactly the amounts, what the implications were. And I must say that what stood out for me was the interest rate.
When we were talking about this loan, I was like, I'm not ready to pay this high interest. I don't want something that will make me, whenever I remember it, my mind will skip. That I want something I can relax and pay. And guess what? The interest was just low. Well, it didn't take time to get the funding from Lenda. It didn't take time at all. I was even surprised when I got the alerts.
But Lenda filled in the gap, and with just simple steps and instructions, I was able to access the funds.
But with Lenda, there was a lot of understanding with the dynamics of our business, and they were more interested in you having a financial history as to having collateral or property in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. They were more interested in the traction that the business has had over time, and they judged us based on those traction, and based on that, they were able to give us, the financial loan.
I wish more women would see this opportunity and grab it by the horns, because it was a very seamless one.
Funding from Lenda came at the right time, helped us expand inventory, and of course, improved our cash flow. Since we received the funding from Lenda, we have experienced a growth in customer base. We have been able to expand our inventory range, and obviously, revenue has increased since the funding from Lenda.
Funding from Lenda has really been a kind of backbone, or something that helped bring me together.
The funding from Lenda has helped us to be able to double our production capacity. So before now, we used to produce 1,000 beds per cycle. But at this point, with the funding we got from Lenda, we're able to go from 1,000 to 2,000. Coming into this place, we have a major challenge with road network, and that adds to our production cost because of accessing the market, accessing suppliers, accessing customers. So with the loan, we were able to just go directly to the company, purchase our feed in bulk, and be able to raise those beds for 6 weeks without any major challenge.
In terms of revenue, at least I can say we increased by 25%.
The Lenda funding, we are able to secure the dehydrator that we are using, and it makes it easier to satisfy the customers because the time it takes to dry beans has been shortened.
We were able to use the funding to be able to buy our feed directly from the feed producers.
Then in terms of operations, it has also helped me to plan and do a lot of things. The funding from Lenda has helped to build my confidence.
We learned about the opportunity Lenda was offering from Impactor.
I heard about Lenda from Mr. Lawrence from Impactor.
I heard about Lenda from the Impactor Showcase Hub program. And when we went through the mentoring session and I talked about my challenge with financing, then I got introduced to Lenda. And that's how we are here now. I would always recommend Lenda to other female entrepreneurs who are in business, because there's nothing like knowing that you have a support and a very strong support, for your business. But Lenda, my experience with Lenda was awesome. I mean, awesome in capital letters. And I will always recommend, the loan, the relationship to any other female entrepreneur. They say, follow person wey no road. Person wey don't go the road before, follow him because he will show you road. And I have gone through it. It was a pleasant experience for me. So you can always try it.
Definitely will recommend Lenda and showcase her. The experience has been very helpful, very supportive for growing businesses like ours. And I would definitely tell every other woman out there who's into business to grab the opportunity.
I will recommend Lenda to other women.
I want to appreciate Lenda for giving us the opportunity to be able to grow our business, expand our production capacity, cut down on operational costs, and be able to impact our society and immediate community.
Trade Lenda, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. I'm immensely grateful for what you've done.
Thank you, Trade Lenda. Thank you for being there for the small business owners, helping us to come up. Thank you.
Dear female entrepreneur, do not be afraid to give life to your vision. If money is that challenge, then the organization to approach would be Trade Lenda, because they would sit with you, understand your business, and be able to package a financial service that suits you and your business and be able to give you wings to fly. Whatever that dream is, never be afraid to get into Trade Lenda, to have a word with someone and be able to make that dream come to pass.